It is a very, very beautiful Aston Martin. Probably one of the best DB Mark IIIs in the world. My name's Nigel Woodward, I'm Managing Director here at Classic Motorcars, and I'm sitting in front of this Aston Martin DB Mark III. This car is a fantastic car. It was bought at auction in 2015 for way over its estimate at the time, which was £30,000 to £40,000, and actually it sold for a little over £100,000. The car was in barn-find condition. It was clearly in need of a total restoration. That comes as no surprise to us. We've restored a lot of cars over the years. 4,500 hours of work have gone into it. We have a very fixed process for restoring cars. There's the sort of historical research part right at the beginning of the process. Then we strip the car down to its component form, every last nut, bolt and washer. The body and the chassis are separated. They're cleansed of old paintwork and corrosion, and we work out how we would best go ahead with the restoration. It was in such poor condition that we've had to effectively make a new body for the car. The body was the hardest part of the car to restore because of the nature of the clamshell bonnet. They're a coach-built car, handmade from aluminium, and we've had to replicate much of that original coachwork. It's the last of an era, it's the last of a coach-built separate chassis Aston Martin. Aston Martin built 551 of these cars in the late 1950s. It has a WO Bentley designed engine. It's a wonderful thing to drive. Here we are in the cockpit. Feels like I'm sitting back in the late 1950s. The car's equipped with an umbrella handbrake, as they're known, so a bit of a throwback there to the pre-war years. We've included a radio in the restoration. The car was actually supplied with a HMV radio when it was new, which would have been quite an unusual, luxurious addition to the car in its day. This is a slightly later radio that we've put some modern internals into. Let's have a look under the bonnet of this Aston Martin at the heart of the car, and to get there we need to open this rather substantial bonnet catch. This has had a complete engine rebuild, smooth running, sweet idle, gives good performance. Had a cast iron cylinder head originally. They were prone to cracking. This car's got a replacement. There's a number of things which are really satisfying points in the restoration of the car. I think the first time the engine starts, we do about 400, 500 miles of testing in a car that we fully restore. Definitely one of the perks of the job, having the privilege of driving these lovely cars. Here's a nice tight roundabout. There's power out of there. Oh, what a lovely thing. I think we can call the engine response lusty. Pulls away lovely. Its value today, I would put at something in excess of £400,000. It absolutely feels like a £400,000 car. This car is recently completed. I'm looking forward to handing it over to the customer. He's going to end up with, well, a very, very beautiful Aston Martin, and probably one of the best DB Mark IIIs in the world.